than that is Paw Patrol.
So what do we do now? We painted it,
Yeah, you painted it.
and then we fixed the motor because it wouldn't start, right?
Yeah, no.
And then we got all the brakes working.
Yeah.
And then Denver's never driven one of these, but he's going to show us how to start it. So you're going to show us how to start it? Rev it up. Okay, turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Yeah. Pretty cool. Paw Patrol. Yeah, now all you gotta do is learn how to ride it, huh? There you go. Okay, I'm letting him work the throttle here. And then whoa, he's gonna scare Grandpa. But he knows what he's doing. He comes off of it in time. I'm teaching him how to work the brake. And he's learning you gotta give it a little extra when you're turning because it's tight, you know. And yeah, I just let him have at it. But I, wanted to be on there just in case this is his first time ever doing this. So he's doing really good. So let's let him go. Grandpa will just kind of help out a little bit.